Hello, I'm Roshan recording experiment 5, database lab. So this experiment is on subquery and correlated subquery. Now, the first question asks us to find the name of customers who have ordered for a cherry or a red dog finish. So here we find out which products has a red dog or cherry finish. For that, we generate the product IDs of those products. Once we have those product IDs, we generate the order IDs to find out the orders in which those products were ordered. Once you have the order IDs, you find out which customer has placed those orders and using the order ID. And once you get the customer ID, you display the name where the customer ID in the subqueries. Now here you can see John Doe, Henry Smith and Richard Newman. They have ordered some product which has a cherry or a dog finish. Now, question 2 asks us to find the name of customers who have ordered for the product table lamp. This is similar to the question 1. Here, the only difference is instead of a dark or cherry finish, we just need to find out the product ID of the product table lamp. So once we find the product ID of that product, we find out who, in which order it was placed, and who ordered it, and the name of the person. Then here you can see John Doe and Henry Smith has ordered the table lamp. That is a product with the product ID of table lamp. Now question 3 is to find the details of customers who have ordered for product ID 1000. So first we find out in which order was this order placed. So we find the order ID in which product in which the in order to buy a product with product ID 1000 was placed. Once you have that, you find which customer placed it. Now the name of the customer is displayed using select customer name from customer where customer ID in the list of customer IDs we generated. So here only Henry Smith is the only person who bought a product with product ID 1000. Now question 4 asks us to find suppliers whose total quantity is greater than some supplier code as 3. Here first we find out what is the total quantity of supplier S3. That is how much he supplies in total. Once we find out, we compare that with the total supply made by all the other suppliers. So if the total supply by the other supplier is greater than what is generated by the total supply of S3, then you display it. So here you can see this inner query finds out how much the supplier S3 delivers. Now this compares the quantity the other suppliers deliver with the quantity what supplier S3 delivers. So here you can see B, B, B and E are the suppliers who has the total quantity of delivery that is more than the supplier S3. Now question 5 is to find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So first we find out what is the maximum rating of the supplier. So use max function. You select maximum rating from supplier. Once you have that, you see if any supplier has a rating greater than or equal to the maximum we generated. So here you can see there is one supplier, that is supplier name EEE is a supplier ID 5. He has a rating, he has the highest rating, that is 5. Now question 6 is asking to display the products that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook, which is basically the list of all the orders, all the products ordered by Kathy Cook. So first we find out what's the customer ID of Kathy Cook. Once we have that, we find out what was the orders placed by that particular customer ID. Now once you have the orders, you'll see what are the products in those orders. Then you can simply display the details of those products, the list of products which we generated. So she has only ordered a duplex bookshelf. So yeah, that's it. Now question 7 asks us to display the supply details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of order ID 103. So first we need to find out what is the quantity ordered in order ID 103. So we find out the ordered quantity from order quantity table for the order ID 103. Once we have that, we will compare all the total quantity delivered or supplied by each supplier if it is greater than what is ordered in order ID 103. So you can see that BBB and EE again has a greater supply. That is, supply BBE and EE has a greater supply than what was ordered in order ID 103. The question 8 is display the ordered quantity for the order whose order date is greater than the order date of order ID 106. First we find out the order date of order ID 106 from order table. Once you have the order date, you will see if there are any orders that was placed after this date. Once you have those orders, you just simply display the sum of order quantity in each orders from the order quantity table. So we use the group by function to group by order ID, and we display the details of those order IDs which was generated in the inner in the subquery list. That is all. Thank you.